YouTube, what's up, what's up? It's your boy Tone coming back at y'all, man. One more again. Shoot, man, I got my jack and my jack stand in the car with me. My neighbor just run the doorbell, and you know, they live like almost across the street from me, but they got a flat tire over there, man. And, you know, they don't know nothing about that kind of stuff. So we gonna see if we can help them out, YouTube. So we'll be back in a minute. We're gonna pull up on them and see what's going on. We'll go from there, YouTube. All right, later. See what's going on, YouTube. And what it do, man, what it do. Hey, do me a favor, man. Grab that jack out the car for me. It's right there in the front seat. The jack in the house. You a young man, strong man. That what's up. What's going on, man? Yeah, look in the front seat right there. Hey, I got you, man. You ain't gotta, you know what I'm saying? We gonna get it. Yeah, that's it. And all right, YouTube channel, man. Yes. Yeah, YouTube.
Can you make a YouTube channel?
Yeah, I share the link with y'all, man, so y'all can check it out. I'm gonna put this video on here.
Oh, damn it, you made YouTube channel?
That's it. Let's see if we can. I tell you what, you want this tire back on there or you want this? Nah, I got a patch kit at the house. We can fix this tire if you want to. Or you can probably get a new one on here. Okay. Alright, I got a patch kit. I can plug the hole and plug it up. I can fix it. I can fix it. You gotta take it over there though. Save you some money, man. It might be one of oil, so we can pump some air in it and we can see where it's leaking. If you want to. You want to just put this one on there? Okay. All right, cool. I tell you what, we'll put this one on there, and if you want to bring that one over there and see if we can fix it, then we can fix it. Then you can do them and put that one back on. Yeah. Let me show you this right here. Show you a little shortcut. So keep from hurting your back. Yeah. Do like this. Use your feet. You ain't gotta hurt your back. You know what I'm saying? What's up, Mr. Griffin? What's going on, brother? How you doing, man? All right. Yes, sir. This. Oh. This up right here. Get my neighbor right. Boom. Spin that thing. Like that. See, this is another one right here. Check this out. A lot of people, they let it all the way down and then try to tighten. Never let it all the way down. Just a little bit.
Es que muchas personas lo quieren hacer hasta abajo y luego
That's it. That way it don't move. All the weight ain't on it.
Oh, yeah.
It might not tighten up all the way. You know what I'm saying? So,
That's for sure.
cross tighten.
Yeah.
Tighten this one.
Crisscross.
Cross tighten.
Yeah.
Don't go in order. Two. Now get this guy. Got three. It's four. It's five. And here's six. That's it.
Man, I appreciate it, man.
Hey, bring this tire over there to my garage. Let's see if we
Que
can
lo
fix
traiga,
it.
sí, para que se pueda
Save you some
alegarlo.
money.
Para que lo traiga dinero.
Yeah, we can save you some money. Just bring it up there.